Wow, welcome back to the Sardine News. We're still on the buzz of these electric motors, and in November of 2019, in fact, I went to sea on a kayak with a water snake motor on it. Dave Charley is the captain of this particular vessel, and man, what a cool day we had.
This is my maiden voyage on your ship, buddy.
Certainly is.
Yes, so we're fishing off Tofo. And man, Dave can paddle hard. Hey, you're paddling like a demon, Dave. Hey, what's that, an engine? Yowza! We've got a strike pro and a strike pro. A couple of Midos, and we're in the game. We're going to try and catch her. What are we going to try and catch, Dave?
Just a small £1,000 marlin.
Okay, we'll
Just
sit on the boat, so
cheeky
let it go.
little
We'll have to let it go, okay.
I'll swim in it.
Okay, dead ahead, straight ahead, Dave. There's our target.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Where are the dolphins, Dave?
Straight ahead. Don't be like one or two.
Lyra down the bottom. Where are we now, bro?
We are on our way to Giants,
Are you sure?
cruising past Tofu Point, and we've paddled for literally about 27 seconds.
The water's a bit more live here, eh? A couple of little splashes over there. Alright. We're surrounded by dolphins, Dave. Ah. Hello. Hello. Hello, my friends.
Right there.
Who's the happy chappy in the back there?
Yes.
Is that Charlie with the smile on his face?
Crazy.
Dolphins all over here.
Every day's holiday. Whereabouts is the reef?
What?
You know? Yeah.
It's 25 meters that away. Dave caught something.
Good for saying.
Yeah, well, not too many fish on this day, but a real fun day at sea with Dave Charley and his electric-powered kayak. That thing's plastic too, so you can crash it into the rocks, which is really good for when Dave's driving. But basically, we had about a 6-hour trawling session with a couple of little bottom fishing stops in between, and one 80 amp hour battery kept us going all the way to the beach. Lots of fun, and thank you, Dave. Sorry I took over a year to make that video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Ciao.